Have you ever wondered what makes Unity one of the most powerful engines for game development? Unity 3D isn't just a tool. It's a complete ecosystem that enables developers to design interactive, visually rich, and performance-driven games. From mobile and PC to AR, VR, and even multiplayer experiences, Unity opens the door to endless creative possibilities. At Malgo, we stand as your trusted partner in Unity 3D game development. Our focus goes beyond coding. We help shape ideas into experiences that players will love. Whether it's defining the core mechanics of your game through strategic planning, designing immersive interfaces that keep players engaged, or rapidly prototyping to test ideas early, we ensure every step of development is handled with precision. Our creative team breathes life into characters and worlds with stunning 3D art and fluid animations, while our developers seamlessly integrate Unity assets to deliver a cohesive visual and technical output. If your vision includes multiplayer engagement, we build real-time, scalable systems that bring communities of players together across platforms. We also specialize in next-gen experiences, leveraging AR, VR, and MR technologies to create groundbreaking levels of immersion. Whether it's a fast-paced 2D adventure, a detailed 3D simulation, or a AAA quality title, Malgo delivers games that meet the highest industry standards. With intelligent, AI-driven NPCs, custom gameplay mechanics, and live ops services, your game not only launches successfully, but also evolves to keep players engaged long-term. Our expertise covers every stage, from multiplayer server setup and porting existing games, to new platforms, to ongoing maintenance and updates that keep performance smooth and content fresh. A Unity 3D game development company doesn't just build games, it builds experiences. At Malgo, we combine creativity, technology, and strategy to turn your ideas into interactive realities for mobile, PC, and beyond. Thank you for watching. At Malgo, we're passionate about crafting Unity 3D games that inspire and engage. Let's build the future of gaming together.